Hey guys, this is Ivory with Munchy Goddess, and today I'm going to show you how to make homemade, quick and easy air fryer pizza quesadillas. This recipe is really simple and perfect for any air fryer beginner. For the ingredients, you're going to need flour tortillas, pepperoni, mozzarella cheese, pizza sauce, melted butter, and Italian seasoning. Start by preheating your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and set the timer for 5 minutes. Next, you're going to take one tortilla and spread a thin layer of pizza sauce on it. And then take the other tortilla and add the cheese, pepperoni, and Italian seasoning. Take the tortilla with the pizza sauce on it and place it on top of the pepperoni and press down so it stays secure. And then brush the top of that with some butter. Next, add the quesadilla to the preheated air fryer and cook for 5 minutes, and just be sure to check on it halfway through. Once the quesadilla is done, go ahead and remove it from the air fryer. Let it cool for a couple of moments, cut it into 4 pieces, and then enjoy. Now, if you do make this, you can enjoy this dipped in some pizza sauce or some marinara sauce, or you can make one of my homemade dipping sauces. Thanks for watching.